guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. My parents actually went on a road trip out west and got back last week, I believe, and my parents picked me up a bunch of goodies from a bunch of thrift stores. Some of it's just more like room decor. Yeah, let's just get into this thrift haul. First thing that my parents picked me up was this, was this a really cool antique dress thingamabob. It's supposed to like be for a candle, and this thing is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, but at the same time it kind of gives me the creeps a little bit. I mean, this is cool. I like it. It's just look how like old school this thing is. Like, the really cool thing about this is that it opens and I can put like a candle in there, which is really, really cool. This thing is literally getting stuck in my hair. Like, this is just, wearing space buns was not a good idea. Like, it's freaking, like, this thing is possessed. I knew it was possessed. Ow. Oh, you're not like this thing anymore. I'm stoked for it. So, not sure how much my mom paid for this, but I'm sure it was a good price, because if it wasn't, my mom wouldn't buy it, because she's cheap like me. This, which I thought was really cool, it's actually used for like necklaces, but I'm probably not going to use it as that. It's probably just going to be used as decor. But it kind of reminds me of like my Barbie days where I used to play with Barbies. And my brother would always like rip my Barbies' heads off all the time. And it would be headless like this. I thought it was really cool because it's like pearls and a little belt. It's nice and glittery. It's just, this thing is just really, really cool. It's really cool. Something that I would wear personally. Next are these two shoes. They're high heel shoes, which I actually have a couple of these in my room. I love these type of things. I think they're so glass unique. High heels. So there's just this one here, which I think is really, really cool. Able to find another one, which is when you actually put rings in. But I don't wear any of those rings. I ain't really a ring kind of girl. I don't really care for that. But I just thought this was so cool. Stoked to put both of these in my room. I love these. Next thing is this. It says Queen of Everything, which I thought was absolutely hilarious. Glass too. Thing I thought was really, really cute. It has like a little saying on the front, but you can like hang it up. But I've been hanging it up near my door over there, on my closet door. It has like a cute little like saying on it. It just looks like this. And the saying says, always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and twice as beautiful as you'd ever imagined. So it's such a cute little quote. I love it. Next thing is this I'm here for you angel. It's actually a little like angel clip, but it's really, 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 really pretty. I actually have one of these angels in my car that I've had since I was like 10 years old. My grandma actually got it for me, and I've had it ever since. So my mom actually picked me up another one. Next thing is this little frame. It says my furry friend, to put a picture of my cat in it. I just love picture frames, so this one seemed to go with my room. Next thing is this. This is actually a head smacker. It pisses you off. I'm just joking. It's not. It's a door stopper. But it says be nice or leave. But I thought it was pretty cute. And oh my god, this is actually really heavy. So that it had like this little rope here. Next is the sign, which I thought was really cute. It says, always kiss me a good night. Oh, I want to get slippers. Just looks like this. Actually made. Oh, I just smacked myself in the nose. And then it's just made out of wood. So that is everything that my parents picked me up from their vacation out west. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.